As we take a look outside, it doesn't look too rainy out there right now, Ben, and you said not everybody actually will see the rain.
Yeah, it's really isolated out there now. And if you want the rainfall, the best chance is going to be Sunday morning. And maybe not a good thing if you have some outdoor plans Sunday, as we have some big changes on the way, which we'll show you very closely with the Futurecast here in just a second. A look at the time lapse over the last several hours. Some barge traffic heading down the river. Made it to 81 this afternoon with a lot of sunshine mixed with that field of fair weather cumulus clouds, and a couple of clouds have grown big enough to produce some rain showers throughout Kentucky, and especially for areas off to the south of the Bluegrass Parkway. That's where we see some of the heaviest rain. As we look over Metro Louisville, most areas dry. We've had a shower near Shepherdsville, that is, heading towards near Fort Knox in northwestern Bullitt County. Elsewhere, again, mostly dry, and you can see it is just very random and isolated with most of the showers. But as we look off to the southeast, around Campbellsville and Greensburg and Columbia is where we have most of the showers and thunderstorms. So a few rumbles of thunder, no severe weather, and no flooding is expected with that as these drift from the south off to the north, rotating around an area of low pressure that's weakening. Over the next couple of hours, we'll keep some of these isolated showers, but around sunset, we'll lose that daytime heating and the energy for the showers, and most of our Friday evening will be dry in the 60s after sunset, and then overnight low temperatures will fall to the upper 50s and lower 60s. Tomorrow, largely dry and warm once again in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. Tomorrow, definitely the pick day of the weekend if you want to get out and about and enjoy the weather outside. Best chance for an afternoon shower is going to be off to our west. Notice storms lining up late tomorrow night into early Sunday, but those storms are going to be on a weakening trend as they move our way. Nonetheless, still some scattered showers for most of us Sunday morning. Here's 11 a.m. And notice it starts off mild in the 60s. It's one of those opposite days, though, as that cold front sweeps through. Cold air begins to move in, so we fall down to the 40s and 50s with some breezy conditions and some clouds and lingering drizzle. So gloomy and blustery for Sunday afternoon. Definitely a tale of two stories for this weekend, from very warm, once again chilly, and more like March to end the weekend. So our grand total rainfall, not that impressive, less than 1/4 of an inch of rainfall in most locations. So again, no flooding concerns, but some good rain showers that we need for our lawns and gardens out there. Live view once again with our Belmont Village cam, part of our U of L Health Camera Network, looking over the U of L campus. 81 our high today, a good 12 above our average of 69, and 8 off the record of 89 set back in 1883. Right now, upper 70s, lower 80s at the airports. It's a very light breeze out there, and temperatures are in the 70s to the lower 80s. When you have that rain shower nearby, touch cooler. Munfordville checking in at 70 and 67 right now in Campbellsville with that rain nearby. Partly cloudy, mostly dry tonight. Low temperature at 58 degrees, and for tomorrow, plenty of sunshine at about 10 degrees above average with that high up to 80 degrees. So as we look at the weekend, we go from May to March-like weather. 80 degrees for Saturday. Best chance of that rain is going to be in the morning on Sunday. Some wind gusts around 20 to 30. So again, a little bit blustery and chilly. And that warmest temperature at 64 is in the morning, and then dropping temperatures in the afternoon. Windy start next week on Monday. Some wind gusts around 30 to 40, and high temperatures only in the 50s. But then we warm right back up for the rest of next week. Upper 60s on Tuesday, and we're back to a dry weather pattern as well, with upper 70s and lower 80s for next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.